We are done. Whoo! Knocked that one out. Always feels good to get a job knocked out. So we're going to start with the couches, punching bag, and then there is a shower unit in this downstairs closet. We'll get that up first. We're going to tackle the basement, get the basement first so that we do not have to take anything else upstairs. So we are complete here. Complete here. We gotta get the stuff off the deck. Complete here. Staged down to the kitchen. Get the stuff off of this deck. All right, so upstairs is complete. The lower level is staged to the kitchen. We're almost done with the basement. Got to clear out the porches, get stuff bagged up outside, get the barn done, and we will be complete. Basement. Is complete. Cleaning lady will take care of that. And we're down to this. And what is in the barn? All right, all we got left is the barn. This was a chicken run. I pulled out all the posts on the front, took out 2 end posts. I could not get the inside posts out, so we just horsed them out. But there it is, rolled up. This was built by a woman, and I can tell it was built by a woman because it was crafted in such a manner by someone that asked somebody else to do it, and they didn't do it fast enough. So they got mad and just started braiding ends together and twisting and zip tying everything together. But there's the chicken run. We are down to the barn. All we got left. Quite a load of scrap. And scrap in the truck. We are done. Whew, always feels good to get a job done. That one took a little longer than I wanted, but we got a happy customer. So on to the next one. The final load in the trailer. A little bit of scrap in the truck. You know what they say. You know what we say. It's the dirty side of real estate.